Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can crop your image diagonally on Canva. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the elements. Right here we already see search elements, type frame, and basically select a triangle. Now for the color, I will select my background color, so you can do that the same. Just pick a color, then select the background color. Now resize your triangle and just put in the corner like this, and basically that's how you do that. So in this side I'm going to do the same, just going to rotate that by 180, and let's put that like this, and that's how you basically do this job. So make sure that is a little bit taller, and that's good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.